Still tracking your inventory with clipboards and manual data entry? Or paying thousands for bulky barcode scanners? It's time to upgrade. Introducing Smart Check-in System, the Google Sheets add-on that turns the phone in your pocket into a professional asset scanner. Getting started takes seconds. Just install the add-on and click Setup. The system automatically builds your inventory database inside Google Sheets. No app to install, no logins to manage. Just generate a secure QR code, scan it with your phone, and your scanner is ready to go. Built for speed and efficiency, the process starts the moment you scan a user ID to open a session. From there, you can rapidly scan items one after another with no delays or interruptions. Whether you're checking out books, assigning Chromebooks, or tracking equipment, every scan is captured instantly and accurately. The system does the math for you. See exactly who has what and what is available right now. Simple, secure, and built right into the tools you already use. Smart Check-in System. Available now on the Google Workspace Marketplace.